Hey, Isa.
Oh, hello.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm still finding a rare berry, a wild berry.
Wild berry? Is there any wild berry here?
Of course there is. And it's shaped, You know what? It's shaped like a strawberry.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you planting it?
No, we didn't plant it because it's wild. So it's a wild fruit.
Wild fruit?
Wild berry.
Oh my gosh. I never know that is a berry with live in wild.
Yeah, live in the wild. There's many, but this one is special because it's shaped like a raspberry and strawberry,
Oh,
Maybe our friend from European knows about raspberry, right? And we
yeah.
have one here, a local one.
A local one and wild, yeah?
It's wild,
Wow.
like them, but you curious about it, right?
Yeah, I'm really curious.
Wait, we need to find it first because it's hiding
Oh
all
my
over here.
god. I want to know what kind of plant is it.
It's hiding all over here, but let's go find it, guys.
Oh yeah.
And I will taste it also.
Okay.
It's going to be really interesting.
All right.
You know what? It has a red color when it's already ripe.
Is it look like a strawberry?
Yeah, it's like a strawberry. Wait a minute. The plant is like this, guys. Yeah.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, like this.
I think the plant has thorn.
Yeah, it has thorn, right? Like a usual berry,
Oh.
Like a blueberry bush, because it also have a thorn. They also have a thorn there.
Oh my gosh.
So
I never found.
wait, guys.
Wait a minute. Where is it? Oh my gosh. Are you find it?
Yeah, we find it.
Oh.
And I should pick it up now.
Okay, no. Let me look at it. Oh, this is the wild berry.
It's like a raspberry, right?
Right, raspberry.
And
I
you know
think.
what? It's not just one here. There's
Oh, yeah.
many, but it's not
Okay.
ripe yet. But maybe I will pick it up.
Okay.
I hope we.
I want to test it.
You want to test it, right?
Yeah.
Wait. Just one, guys. Look at it. Look at more closer now.
Oh.
It looks like a raspberry with a
Yeah.
little. Yeah, it's raspberry, I guess.
Yeah, it looks like a strawberry.
Yeah, strawberry and raspberry, right?
Oh yeah. Can we find another?
Wait a minute. Now, I believe that there's many here
Yeah.
because sometimes we find it here
Oh,
instead
yeah.
of this durian fruit, the
Oh.
king of.
The queen of fruit.
Yeah.
Oh. What
Hey,
is it?
guys, I want it again.
You find it again?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Oh my gosh! We find it again.
You find it.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, wait, guys. Oh, I find it.
You find it?
Yeah. We doesn't want to lose this delicacy, guys.
Oh. Yeah.
My heart is beating fast.
Me too. Okay.
And also have a flower in it. It's only flowering here.
Oh, it's flowering.
Yeah, look at
Oh, this is the flower.
Yeah.
Here,
Here's
the white one.
And the white one.
Here, the flower of this kind of fruit.
It's like a jasmine, right?
Yeah.
And the
That's
smell
right.
is like a.
Oh.
Wait a minute. When after look this flower, I turned that direction
Yeah.
and I found it.
You
again.
find it again?
Of-
Oh my god! It find it again, guys.
There's many here, I guess.
Oh.
It's more bigger now.
Oh,
Look at
yeah.
it. More.
Okay. Let me. Oh my gosh.
It looks more like a
Oh.
strawberry, right?
Yeah. It's red.
It's red.
It's really red. Oh. You want to pick up?
Oh my god! I picked up all of it. Oh, it's my fault.
Oh, it's
wait.
okay.
I'm always curious about testing the younger one.
Yeah.
It's still quite bitter, guys. So don't try what I'll try. Just try the ripe one. Look at the shape of it. It's like a raspberry.
Yeah. Let me check. Oh.
It have a many pop, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Agree.
Yeah. Let's try to find more.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's many. I think there must be here. Okay.
Okay.
It's sometimes grow surrounding all the weeds here on the
Oh.
grass. Oh, it's the plant, guys. It's also birching many fruit, the younger fruit like this,
Yeah.
but it's not ripe yet. We need to wait. We need to wait. Look at it.
You need to wait. Oh, you got three.
But I hope we
Okay.
get four.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You still remember that avocado variety, guys?
Yeah.
That's called Shenlong.
Shamlong.
I always try to.
New name.
Shenlong because
Namlong or Shamlong?
it's New Namlong, but I like to call it Shenlong.
Oh yeah. You
It's like a dragon.
you like a dragon. Okay.
but don't get fooled by this flower, guys. It looks the
is it?
same, but it's not the berry.
Oh,
It's a
no,
wildflower.
Wildflower.
And I think it's
know.
also poisonous.
Okay.
Let's try it out.
Can we find another one?
I hope so. Oh,
What is that?
the Sanlong Kaidas, the biggest one, the reddest one.
Oh my gosh, that it is. Oh, you're right. It's really red, like a berry.
Yeah, like a berry. Right?
Oh my god.
I should pick it up now.
Yeah.
Oh my god! And I think we all already lost somebody, but lost something here
Yeah.
because there's a off-ripe fruit.
Oh.
I forgot to show it to you. It's already off-ripe, but it's already falling off. So let's try to find it more, guys.
Okay.
I hope we can get more of it.
Yeah.
Look at it. It's a Sanlong.
Wow.
You can grant it all of your wishes because it's a dragon.
Yeesh. Yes. Yes.
Look at it.
Oh.
It's already off-ripe, I guess.
What is it?
There is it.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. It's still young.
Yeah, it's still young, but
Still
I
young.
should try it.
It's okay if you want to.
Let me try it. I hope it's not that bitter, guys, because before it, I already tasted like the younger one, the smaller one, it's bitter. Let me try it. I start to have a slightly sweetness here,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not recommended, guys, because it's still young
Oh yeah.
and the texture is pretty rough. I can wait for this one. I hope we can get more of it here.
Yeah. Is there any that we can find again?
I hope so. There's the plant here. There's many plant here. Oh yeah, guys. It's also called unchan, right? Uchen.
Yeah.
Uchen berry.
This is. Oh my gosh.
Look at it. It's uchen berry.
Berry.
Yeah. In Indonesia we call it uchen.
Uchen.
Yeah. Oh my god. But sadly we cannot find it more, guys.
Yeah.
Maybe I should try it now.
Okay.
But wait.
Let's review to.
To our viewers, right?
Yeah.
But look at that. I want to look that scenery first because
Oh
it's
yeah.
beautiful, right?
It's very beautiful place here. Oh my gosh. Oh.
It's beautiful.
All right.
Maybe I will eat it now, guys.
Yeah.
When I see the scenery like this, I can't feel any hungry,
Oh.
because it's lovely. It's a
Oh.
lovely feeling when I see a lot of
Trees.
trees, a bird chirping, many of the insect singing,
Wow.
and we also can find this wild berry.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll try this one, guys.
Oh. Tell me how it tastes.
Just take these branches off like
Yeah.
this, and you will find the beautiful side of this berry.
Okay.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. You're right.
Okay, so Altanuta will eat it, guys. Just wait.
It's sweet.
It's sweet. Also have a taste like a strawberry in it.
Oh.
Yeah. It's like a strawberry but growing wild.
Oh.
You want to try it to prove it?
Okay.
Just take it out if you want to try it.
Thank you.
It's like a strawberry. It doesn't have any bitterness.
Yeah.
It's
Sweet.
acidic. Citrusy. It's like a orange but getting mixed with a strawberry,
Yeah.
right? It's citrusy.
Yeah. You're right.
You want to eat it more?
Oh.
Just pick it up. Which one do you want? Which one?
Oh, this is the big one. You try the big one.
Okay, I'll try it and you will try this one.
Yeah. Okay.
Pick it up.
Thank you.
It is.
Oh.
We're gonna eat it together. 3,
One.
2, 1.
Go.
Oh, it is different with the smaller one, right?
Mm.
You already tried the biggest one, right?
Mm.
It's sweet,
Yeah.
and the small one is kind of citrusy.
Mm.
The bigger one is almost sweet. All of it sweet. Right?
Yeah.
You know, guys, it's also growing wild here. So
Yeah.
sometimes when I go to my garden and
You
like
find
walk here, I I find it here and I eat it straight from the tree, from the plant.
Oh.
And also, there must be one more wild berry here. Its name is, I forgot about the name. It's Miranti. Miranti berry.
Oh, Miranti.
It's shaped like a blueberry, but the taste of it is pretty different.
Mm.
Also, it's not blue, but it's more purple.
Purple.
Blackish purple. But sadly, we can find it here, guys. Oh my god. But you already taste it, right?
Yeah,
It's delicious.
yeah, delicious. It's really delicious. Mm.
Okay, guys, if you want to see more interesting content about nature like this,
Yeah.
don't forget to support us here. And
Okay.
don't forget to subscribe also. I will always love you guys if you subscribe to me, to us, to make our channel grow bigger.
Yeah.
And look at it. We're sitting here, just watching the scenery once again.
Yeah, this is
That's a
shelter
like
there.
that dancing, that singing,
Yeah.
all around here.
Oh,
Thank you guys.
beautiful.
Don't forget to always protect your nature because nature provides you anything. Thank you.